feel like I'm in a newscast reporter. Today we're reporting live from the Thirsty Studio on bartender lingo.
Finger.
I don't even know what that means.
So if somebody asks for like 2 fingers.
Like finger, like.
Gross.
You want me to stir your drink with my finger?
Incorrect. If they want to drink like 2 fingers, it means they want to drink like about that tall. I don't think people really say that anymore.
Have you ever had that before?
Yeah, I've had people say that to me. It's usually like an older crowd that will use those terms. So it's good to know. So if they want 2 fingers, it's like a double shot.
You learn something new every day.
Stiff. If someone comes up to the bar and they're like, I want a stiff one.
You want it strong. You want a little extra love in there.
Yeah.
Strong drink.
But you're gonna have to pay for that, I'm just saying.
Obviously.
If you say you want a strong drink, if you ask me for a stiff one, that doesn't mean free extra booze. That's not how it works.
No.
Okay? I'm gonna charge you for it.
You're gonna pay today. Free pour means you're not using a measurement tool. Means you're counting in your head. You're free pouring.
You're free pouring.
You're 1, 2, 3 without a jigger.
Yeah.
Bam, bam, bam.
I love bars that allow you to free pour because
Same.
a lot of bars will maybe make you use a jigger and measure everything out as you're pouring.
Yeah.
High-speed bars, you know, those are the ones that are normally gonna let you free pour. They're gonna get your bang for your buck. You're gonna be pouring 2, 3 drinks at the same time. If y'all need to learn how to free pour, by the way, we have a video for you, how to. Here, put it there. Where is it? It's here.
A well. Okay, it's a bartender station. Your ice is there, your liquor is there, everything you need for your specialty cocktails is there. So this is your well. This is where I'm working tonight.
Okay.
This is where you will find me. Come to my well.
Nobody says that, but
Nobody says that.
go to her well if you see her.
But come to my well. I'll be there.
What is a speed rack? A speed rack is in your well, and that's where you keep all of the bottles that you're gonna use throughout the night. Vodka, rum, gin, tequila, the things that you need are gonna be in your speed rack.
The things that sell the most that you need often. You make a lot of vodka sodas, so make sure you got some vodka in there.
People love vodka soda.
Maybe you make a specialty cocktail the most. You wanna have those ingredients in your speed rack, or at least the bottles.
Right.
Burn the ice means ice needs to be gone, taken out of your well. You know what a well is now.
At the end of every shift, you wanna make sure to clean out your well and get rid of all of the ice that you had for that day. So burning the ice is melting down all of that ice with some hot water.
Maybe you broke a bottle in your well. You gotta take the ice out. You gotta burn your ice.
Getting rid of ice
Yes.
is burning your ice.
If you need training wheels, you're probably 21.
Not necessarily.
But you are a baby.
If you're taking a shot of tequila, you're gonna have salt, you're gonna have some lime. It's kind of like, it's a low-key like little like jab saying like you're a baby and you can't man up and take your shot, or woman up.
Like, you need training wheels? Do you need training wheels?
Training wheels, baby?
I kind of like training wheels, not gonna lie. You know, I like the whole experience of like salt, you lick it and then you take your shot and you do the lime. Like, that's an experience. Call it what you want. Training wheels, baby, whatever. Sometimes I wanna do it, okay?
Shout out to all my servers. Stab your ticket. What does that mean?
Stab your ticket or you will get stabbed.
Facts.
It means
servers are gonna be ringing in drinks. Those drinks are gonna be printed at a printer at the service bar. You're gonna take that ticket and you're gonna make that drink. You're gonna place it into the service well where your server should come, retrieve their drink, and they take it out into life, into the world to be enjoyed. They need to stab their ticket.
it is the server's job
It is your duty.
to stab it.
Stab your ticket.
If you leave it, there's a chance, a high chance, that another bartender
They might make
the same thing. And if it's 1942, you're responsible. It is a sin.
Right.
It is a sin. If you can't tell.
We're very passionate about this subject.
I think this should be a whole video in itself.
Honestly. I will direct
and we will
DM this
to all of the
some people that I
servers.
might know. that need to learn this lesson. Stop your ticket!
Stop it.